Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vornado heater won't turn on, power supply reset and sensor solution. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the heater is plugged in securely, then try a different wall outlet. Plug the heater directly into the wall instead of using an extension cord or power strip. Turn the heater on and check if it works. Second one is reset the heater. Turn the heater off and unplug it, then leave it unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes. Plug it back into the wall outlet. Turn the heater on and check if it starts normally. Third one is check the tip over safety switch. Place the heater on a flat, stable surface, then make sure it is standing upright. If the heater was tripped over, return it to the correct position and try turning it on again. Fourth one is let an overheated heater cool down. Turn the heater off and unplug it, then allow it to cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Check that the front and rear air vents are free of dust, pet hair or other blockages. Plug it back in and test it. Fifth one is clean the air intake and outlet. Unplug the heater, then use a soft brush or vacuum to remove dust from the air intake and outlet vent. Make sure nothing is blocking the airflow around the heater, then plug it back in and test it again. Thanks for watching.